This is Ian, the chef from Hellshire Beach, cooking right now. Yeah! Check out the string. This is the intestine. Wash it out over here. This is the steamed fish. Okra, carrot, Irish potato, garlic and pepper. I'll crush the garlic now. In about 24 years doing this straight every day. My father is a veteran.
Yeah man, me show me son. Me tell me.
Fish festival, bame, steamed fish, fried fish, roast fish, curry lobster, garlic lobster, steamed lobster, crab, conch. Yeah, this is the flour we're adding right here now. The sugar now. Baking powder. Salt. Give 15 minutes to finish fry. We're adding the butter. Scallion, cut the scallion fine.
Fire I feel low underneath it.
Yeah, this is the garlic sauce now. So it's ready now to eat now.